Hi friends, in this video we are going to solve problem based on ordered dictionary method which is defined in collections module. An ordered dictionary is a dictionary that remembers the order of the keys that were inserted first. If a new entry overrides an existing entry, the original insertion position is left unchanged. Let's see one example. If we just use a dictionary using square brackets with a particular variable, if we insert values one by one, then if we print the output for the particular variable, we get keys and values in shuffle way. If we use ordered dictionary from the collections module, the way that we inserted the keys and values into this dictionary variable are in the same way, but output is printed in the form of list of tuples. Task. You are the manager of the supermarket. You have a list of n items together with their prices that consumers bought on a particular day. Your task is to print each item name and the net price in order of its first occurrence. Item name is equal to name of the item. Net price is quantity of the item should multiplied by the price of each item. Input format. The first line contains the number of items and the next n lines contains the item's name and price separated by space. Constraints. The number of items may be from the range 0 to 100, not equal to 0. Output format. Print the item name and net price in order of the first occurrence. So in this case, there are 9 number of items. Banana fries 12. In this way they given another 8. We need to print each and every item and its corresponding net price. So banana fries 12 and there is no another item banana price, so only 12. Potato chips 30 plus 30 60 and apple juice 10 plus 10 20. Candies 4, so 20. 5 was 20. Next explanation. The given explanation you can go through. Let's see how our code looks like. Here we are importing order dictionary from collections. We are taking the input value. Let's come to our logic. For each and every input, we are storing in a dictionary D2, and for next we are using an order dictionary for underscore in range of n is equal to list of input dot split, and for each and every item name and its price, we are creating a key value pairs in dictionary, and if the particular value is for the particular fruit is present in the dictionary, then we are incrementing its value, and if the particular fruit is not present in the dictionary, we are just initializing its value, and we are creating the order dictionary D. In each and every time we are adding the fruit in the order dictionary. If it is present, then it is updated to the present value. If it is not present, then it is added to the order dictionary. Next, we need, by using for T in a dictionary, for T in D, we get key values in the order dictionary, those like tuples. Order dictionary prints list of tuples. Here for a key in D means we will get the particular banana fries and potato chips, we will get, and for T in D, print of T comma D2 of T, which means in case of if T is equal to banana fries, we will get the net price of all banana fries, that is D2 of T. Let's run our code. We got all the sample test. We got only 1 sample test case, that is correct. All the test cases are correct. That's all in this video. Thank you.